Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with James. I'm your host James. Now if you're new to my channel, please think about subscribing if you like the content. Make sure to hit the bell for notifications to get my future videos. Give a thumbs up and please leave an awesome comment. Now today, we've got another great one for you, another easy recipe. We're going to be doing some chicken wings, some hot chicken wings in the Power Air Fryer Pro 10-in-1. But if you have the the Pro 7-in-1 or the Power Air Fryer Oven Elite, you can follow these exact instructions and they will turn out the same. So not really much to say about it. I got some chicken wings and let's go ahead and get into the cook. Okay, so here's what we got. We've got some chicken legs. Now, I've only got 6 out because I'm going to be doing about 30 of these later on tonight, so I got to save those. But, I mean, it doesn't matter if you're doing 6 or 30, it's all the same way. So, we got 6, we got some flats and some drumsticks here. And like I said, this is going to be super easy. All we're going to do, I just rinsed them off in cold water and patted them dry. And then we're just going to go ahead and season them up. So what I'm going to use, keeping it super simple, is going to be just some garlic and parsley. That stuff is pretty good. And then just some regular cracked black pepper. Now you can season these with whatever you want. Okay, we've got them all seasoned up, super simple. And from here, we're just gonna, I'm gonna let them sit for just a few minutes. And because the star of the show is actually gonna be the hot sauce that we're gonna be using. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these on the air fryer rack and we'll meet you at the air fryer. All right, so we're at the air fryer. We're gonna go ahead and open this thing up. Got our chicken on here, super simple, just like that. We're gonna pop it right on the middle rack. We're gonna go ahead and turn this thing on, and let's see, we're going to go up to 400 and we're going to give it 15 minutes and we'll see you in 15 minutes. Okay, it has been 15 minutes. As you can see, it says off. We're going to go ahead and open this thing up, and after 15 minutes we're looking good, and all we're going to do is simply give it a 180-degree rotation. They're already starting to crisp up, you can see. So give it a 180-degree rotation. We're going to pop it right back in on that middle rack right there. We're going to close this thing up, go back on 400. All right, now we're going to give it 15 minutes again. It usually takes about 12, but just in case. But anyway, I'll show you how long it's. Oops. Get back in there. 400. Put it on 15 more minutes, and then we'll see you when it's done. Okay, so actually we did the whole 15 minutes. As you can see, it says off. And let's take a look and see what we got. They're sizzling. See what we got so far here. Oh yeah. Whew. Better look at those bad boys. And crispy. Well, let's see. Oh yeah. Hear that? That's crispity. Yes. Very awesome. All right, we're gonna take it to the cutting board and get these things finished up for you. See you in a minute. All right, so we are on to the last step, and do these things turn out awesome? You tell me. So far, so good. Yeah, that's crispy for sure. All right, so anyway, what we're gonna do to sauce them up is we got the almighty Frank's Red Hot. It's the wing sauce. Now on the back, it's a shows right here, it's about a medium. If you want to cool this off a little bit, you can add some butter. It gives some instructions on the back if you don't like it medium, if you want it a little milder. But we're going to go ahead, go into our bowl here, probably with about, yeah, it's good. Only got 6 wings, so maybe about a quarter, maybe a third of a cup. We're going to go ahead and get all of our wings right in there. Just like that. And let's go ahead and toss them up. Yeah, I hear that. You hear them crunching around in there. Absolutely phenomenal. Yeah. And just make sure to get them all over. And I use a spoon if you want, obviously, but just make sure to get the sauce all over. All right, one more toss, and Yeah, look at those. Look phenomenal. All right, we're gonna bring it back up top while these are hot and give you a taste test. See you in a minute. All right, so we are finished with the cook and we came out with some awesome, super amazing wings, hot wings. Yes, some of my favorites. So let's take a look here. Let me get you a closer look. Anyway, so let's go ahead and give them a shot. Cheers. What can I say? They're hot chicken wings. Of course they're good. 1 minute. All right, had to clean my face off real quick anyway. So that's how you do chicken wings in the Power Air Fryer Pro 10-in-1. Also, if you have the Pro 7-in-1 or the Power Air Fryer Oven Elite, same instructions you can do on any of those machines and will turn out the exact same way. So if you're new to the channel, please think about subscribing if you like the content. Make sure to hit the bell for notifications to get my future videos. Give a thumbs up and please leave an awesome comment. With that being said, haha, you know I'm going to enjoy the rest of these wings and we'll catch you on the next cook. Thanks for watching.